Welcome back everyone, this is Cindy and she's agreed to be my model for today. First you want to brush the hair smooth and then you're going to take a small piece on one side of the head and split it into 3 pieces. Here we're going to make a regular 3-strand braid. You want to braid it at least halfway down and then just put an elastic about the middle part of the head. Now we're going to make 3 different 3-strand braids. Make sure to put elastic at each end. Here I'm just making the second one, and now the third braid. Now you're going to take one braid on each side, leaving the braid in the middle down, and put an elastic in, making them make like a heart shape. And then you're going to attach the heart at the bottom with an elastic. Then just take out the other elastics, and then you're going to wrap to cover the elastic. You can wrap it around and then pull it through the same elastic that you used to tie the braids together. And there's your heart. I'm just going to spray her hair just a little bit to tame any frizz. Now I'm going to make another 3-strand braid. Make about 3 to 4 stitches and then begin adding a piece on just the one side. I added 3 pieces. And then I made a few stitches and then I'm just going to add one small piece on the other side. This is going to make a beautiful tapered look. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Just add an elastic at the end and then cover it the same way. And there's your braid. I'm also going to add just this beautiful gem from by Frenchies. Be sure to use my code STYLIST20, I'll link it below. And there's your beautiful heart hairstyle. This is perfect for any occasion, Valentine's Day that you have on a girl or yourself. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.